Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to read you a book now called Learning About Plants and Animals. This is a non-fiction book. That means that it's informational. It's going to give us more information about plants and animals. Can you find the author on the cover? That's right. Usually the author's name is right after the word by. This author says by Robert Leblau. Okay, here we go. Learning About Plants and Animals by Robert Leblau. This is the title page. Plants need air. Plants need food and water. Plants need soil. Plants need sunlight. Animals need air. Animals need food and water. What's the same about plants and animals? What do they all need? Do plants need air? Do plants need food and water? Do animals need air and food and water? Sounds like plants and animals both need air, food, and water. Plants make their own food where they live. Most animals move to get food. So plants, they make their own food. Do they have to move? No, they make their own food where they live. These plants have seeds. I see a palm tree. I think the seed of a palm tree is a coconut. And here's a pine cone. That's the seed of a big, big evergreen tree. And this looks like a tomato plant. And they have seeds inside the tomatoes. And these look like some sort of a bean. And the inside of the bean has the seeds. And this is a poppy. These plants are different sizes. What one of these plants do you think is the biggest? Yeah, maybe the palm tree, but I wonder if the evergreen tree that these pine cones are on might be the biggest. It's hard to know without seeing the whole tree. Animals grow and change. Not all animals move the same. Not all animals look the same. How does a fish move? It swims. How does a bird move? It flies. How does a grasshopper move? Yeah, it hops or jumps. And how does a snake move? It slithers. Real plants and animals do not talk or wear clothes. Look at these two pictures of these birds. What ones are the real birds? The ones on the top or the ones on the bottom? If you said the ones on the top, I agree. The ones on the top, they're looking at each other, but they're not talking. The ones on the bottom, they're saying good morning and hello, and they're wearing clothes. Does a real bird wear clothes and say hello and good morning? No. Now that we read about plants and animals, I want you to think back. See if you can remember 2 or 3 things that both plants and animals need. Got it? Let's look back and check. I remember it was in the beginning. I remember that both plants and animals need food and water and air. I hope that's what you were thinking too. Now think about what's one or two things that are different between plants and animals. I know one thing that's different is that plants make their own food, but animals usually have to move to get their food. I hope you enjoyed learning about plants and animals. We're going to be doing some more learning about them later this week. Bye for now.